Lola Asana, pendant pose. Lola means dangling. This asana is also known as the swing pose as it creates a swing with your arms firmly placed on the side and your lower body swinging in between your arms. Let's see how to do it. Sit in Padmasana. Now place both your arms on the floor firmly and push while lifting your body off the floor. Keep your abs engaged and stay in this asana for as long as you're comfortable. Then return to the original position and repeat for desired repetitions. The benefit of this asana is that it strengthens your wrist, tones your arms, develop abdominal muscle and strengthen your back muscles. You should avoid doing this asana if you suffer from wrist injuries, shoulder pain or neck problems. This asana is a seated type and difficulty level is 4 on 5.